to make a very easy and delicious recipe of chicken, which is simple and quick to make. It is a chicken curry. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. So let's start. Heat oil, add 3 to 4 dried red chilies, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, half teaspoon of black peppercorns. We are going to saute our dry spices for few seconds. Now add half kg of finely sliced onions. We are going to fry our onions till they are golden brown in color. Onions are done. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, we are going to saute our ginger and garlic till the rawness goes off completely. Now add 1 kg of chicken. We are going to fry our chicken in ginger and garlic till the color of the chicken is changed. Color of the chicken is changed. Now add 1 cup of beaten curd, juice of half a lemon. We are going to saute our chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. Our chicken is roasted nicely. Now we are going to add our dry spices. For that, add 3 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, we are going to saute our chicken with the dry spices till the oil separates and the dry spices turn aromatic. Oil has started to separate. Now we are going to add hot boiling water, adjusting the consistency we need in our curry. Mix well and bring it to a boil. We are going to cook our chicken till it is soft and tender and the oil is released on the surface. Chicken is done. Oil has released. Now switch off the flame and transfer it to a serving dish. Our chicken curry is ready. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.